Thank God it's Wednesday. Remember, for our Bible study today, our PJJs are on the street praying through the community of Valencia, specifically the Kangali Street community. And that includes Maycock and all of those other streets that are there. We're praying for you today that God will intervene and cause faith to be reborn so that you might be able to come to Christ, whom to know is life eternal. So don't you miss our Bible study time this evening. Remember, we start at 7. We are in person. It's going to be difficult to do this online, so we are in person. Hey, I'm back at that. Things that we continue to do, or the Bible prescribes that we do so continuously. Hear what the Bible says in Philippians 4:4 and 1 Thessalonians 5:16. It says, rejoice always. And in fact, hear what it says. And again I say, rejoice. It seems to be indicating that our attitude ought not to be one of defeat. No. Those who are living victory, those who are experiencing success, are always rejoicing. And the Bible is kind of saying, even your darkest moment is an opportunity to rejoice. We've got to rejoice. And Paul says, because I know you're going to have difficult days, I'm going to say it again. You need to rejoice. Oh, I say put a smile on your face. God is in the mix. I say to you, get your attitude right. Square your shoulders. Lift your head up. Things may not be going right, but God is in the midst. Therefore, we ought to rejoice. And again, I say to us, rejoice, because God is in the midst of this. Can you see him? Can you see him? If you're seeing him, then you ought to be at the place where you are rejoicing. Again, I say to you, rejoice.